RapidReviewz review. Key features. Here's everything you will get with RapidReviewz today. 1. Full access to RapidReviewz, SaaS, web-based software. 2. Turn any content-based URL into a content video. 3. Turn any keyword into a content video. 4. Turn any blog post into a content video instantly. 5. Direct upload finished videos to YouTube. 6. Add voice narration. 7. YouTube and Vimeo API integration. 8. Download finished video as an MP4. 9. Access to Facebook Mastermind Group. 10. Video and PDF tutorials. 11. Access to content video step-by-step formula, in use since 2015. 12. Instant video slide population. 13. Fully editable slide formatting. 14. 10,000s DFY content database. Turn as many as you like into traffic-sucking content videos. 15. Choose from 15 professional templates, including eye-catching animated elements. 16. Add sound file, music loops, background music or voiceover. 17. Instantly add royalty-free images to your videos or upload and use your own images. 18. Video SEO. Instantly share YouTube link for fast and stable video ranking. 19. In-browser video preview, before render. 20. Create a video from any URL or website. 21. Create videos from any website, affiliate sites, blogs, sales pages, review sites, you name it. 22. Built-in realistic human-like voice-over for all your videos, 170 languages. 23. Use your own voice or upload your own MP3 file for audio. 24. Add intro plus outros to your videos including images, text and text-to-voice narration. 25. Comes with built-in image editor for creating intro, outro images. 26. In one click. Find thousands of royalty-free images for use in videos. 27. Upload videos to YouTube. Complete the second part of the review, link in description.